Hello friends, I am Suhaib Sandhu and you are watching Blend channel, and today I will tell you how you can fix your YouTube error. The error is 503. There was a problem with the server 503. How you can fix this YouTube app error and your YouTube is not working. In this video I will tell you how you can fix this error. And now here I am searching a song, but my YouTube is not working, and today I will tell you how can you fix this error. Simply I click on settings, turn on your data, and now after that I click on the setting options, tap on the settings. You can search on the search bar, or otherwise you can click on the more settings options. I click on the more settings. Here I tap on more settings. Now I click on the app manager. Here you can search the YouTube option, and now I click on the YouTube app from the last third. Here different options, and now I click on the storage. I click on the clear data and the clear cache one by one. Here I click on the clear, and after that I click on the clear data. Now I turn on data and open the YouTube app. This is not working. The error is same. I again open the YouTube settings, app setting, and now I click on the uninstall updates options. You should repeat these settings, and now I will try again, open the app and try but the error is the same position. There is nothing. Okay, so I will open again and again the YouTube app, and at that time I click on the third option, reset all app preferences. But all these tricks are not working here, and you have to wait at least 1 hour. This is the problem from the YouTube server. As you can see, there was a problem with the server 503. If you like this video, hit the like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Allah.